Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro and the DJI Mini 4K. These two sub-250-gram drones are designed to be lightweight and accessible, but they target very different types of users. The Mini 5 Pro packs some major upgrades, with a large 1-inch sensor for vastly improved image quality, omnidirectional obstacle sensing for safer flying, and front-facing LiDAR to help in low-light conditions. On the other hand, the Mini 4K stays ultra-affordable and beginner-friendly, making it a tempting pick for anyone just starting out. But with a price difference of nearly 3 times, is the Mini 5 Pro really worth the extra cost? Or can the Mini 4K still hold its ground as the best first drone for casual users? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two drones and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design and safety, two areas where both drones look similar at a glance but feel completely different in flight. Both the DJI Mini 5 Pro and the Mini 4K are ultra lightweight, weighing under 250 grams, which means you won't need FAA registration in many regions. But when it comes to actual flying confidence, the Mini 5 Pro is worlds ahead. It features omnidirectional object sensing, meaning it can detect obstacles in all directions, not just below. It also adds front-facing LiDAR, which helps the drone sense objects better in low-light situations like dusk or wooded areas. On the other hand, the Mini 4K only has downward-facing sensors that mainly assist with safe takeoffs and landings. That might sound fine for basic flying, but in practice it limits how close you're willing to get to trees, structures, or subjects. With the Mini 5 Pro, you're simply more confident in the air, and that translates into better footage. So if you value safer flights and peace of mind while capturing dynamic shots, the Mini 5 Pro is clearly the smarter pick. Moving on to camera capabilities, this is where the Mini 5 Pro completely outshines the Mini 4K. The Mini 5 Pro comes equipped with a much larger 1-inch sensor, which makes a big difference in both daylight and low-light video quality. It shoots 10-bit video, which records 13 times more color data than the 8-bit video you get from the Mini 4K. That means richer skies, smoother gradients, and more detail in shadows and highlights. Still photography also gets a major bump, with the Mini 5 Pro offering 50 megapixel images compared to just 12 megapixels on the Mini 4K. Both drones use a 3-axis gimbal for stabilized footage, but the Mini 5 Pro adds 225 degrees of roll rotation. That lets you switch from landscape to vertical shooting at the push of a button, which is perfect for social media. On top of that, the Mini 5 Pro shoots 4K video at up to 60 frames per second and supports 120 frames per second slow motion, while the Mini 4K tops out at 4K 30 frames per second. That means if you prioritize professional-looking footage and creative flexibility, the Mini 5 Pro is in a league of its own. When it comes to flight performance, both drones offer stable and beginner-friendly flying experiences, but the Mini 5 Pro edges ahead in every meaningful category. Its upgraded battery provides about 10 to 15% more flight time compared to the Mini 4K, giving you more minutes in the air for every session. It also flies slightly faster and includes DJI's latest O4 Plus video transmission system, which effectively doubles the range compared to the Mini 4K's setup. That means smoother live views and stronger connections, even at longer distances. Both drones include DJI's popular quick shots, automatic flight patterns that help you capture dramatic footage with minimal effort. But only the Mini 5 Pro features DJI's 360-degree active track mode. It can follow a moving subject and keep them centered in the frame, even in complex environments like forests or city streets. Combined with obstacle sensing, this feature gives you much more creative freedom when filming action. That means if you value longer flights, stronger signal stability, and smart subject tracking, the Mini 5 Pro offers a far more capable and enjoyable flight experience. Let's talk price, because this might be the biggest factor for most buyers. The DJI Mini 4K starts at just $299 for the basic kit and goes up to $449 for the Fly More combo with the RCN1C controller. It's even occasionally on sale for 10 to 15% off, making it one of the most affordable ways to get into aerial filming. On the other hand, the Mini 5 Pro starts at £689 and climbs to nearly £1,000 for the Fly More combo with DJI's RC2 controller. It's not currently available from DJI's US store, which could complicate things depending on your location, but the price gap reflects a huge difference in features and performance. The Mini 4K is great for casual use, but its lack of safety sensors and limited camera specs mean it might not keep up as your skills grow. The Mini 5 Pro is more of a long-term investment that delivers professional results and greater flying confidence. So if you value longevity, safer operation, and better media right out of the box, the extra money spent on the Mini 5 Pro is well worth it. As for my final verdict, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is hands down the better drone in almost every category, from camera quality to flight safety and performance. Its 1-inch sensor delivers stunning visuals. The omnidirectional sensing gives you peace of mind in tricky environments, and features like active track and vertical shooting make it incredibly versatile. On the other hand, the Mini 4K still holds value for absolute beginners or anyone on a very tight budget. It's lightweight, easy to fly, and capable of capturing decent 4K footage in good lighting conditions. So if your budget allows, go with the Mini 5 Pro, and you'll likely never look back.